Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on the channel, my channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick it around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today we're doing an unboxing or unbagging. I don't know. What do you call this? This isn't exactly a box, but let's get it. So I've been buying back watches that I've sold before. This was one, it's not exactly going to be a re-edition, but it kind of is. Let's see what we got here. Oh, they have changed their packaging. Like I said, it's been a while since I bought an Invicta. I didn't realize they changed their packaging around. Huh. Hey, they're cutting cost, I guess. Yeah, I've never seen an Invicta box like this before, so this is new to me. But let's take this out and see what we got here. We have an Invicta Pro Diver. This particular one, reference number 342023. I may have some of those numbers wrong, but I will put the correct number up in the video on the screen. But I went with this one. Now, if you watch my videos before, you know that I've had Pro Divers. This particular one I like because it has that Yachtmaster style to it. I had a Pro Diver like this before, but it was much bigger and it was automatic. If you can see by the way this one's moving, this is a quartz. Ultimately, I went with quartz. I didn't want an automatic watch just sitting in the watch box, not being used and stuff. So, you know, there's gears and springs and all that in there. So I didn't, you know, that's why I went with the quartz. Quartz battery, quartz movement, you know, a lot easier to maintain, take care of. But yeah, and this is, I believe, a 40 millimeter. You see it's got the Invicta, all the typical Invicta bullshit. I don't know what that sticker means. And see the price tag. This is always laughable with Invictus. Yeah, I didn't pay that much for it. Yeah, you can see it is 34023. That's the reference number on this guy. I got this guy for 60 bucks on Amazon. You never pay full price on Invicta watches, but okay. Screw down crown feels pretty good. Bezel feels okay. A little bit off. There we go. Not actually no backplay at all. But yeah, I've had a version of this watch before in automatic with, you know, the same look, and I've had two other Pro Divers that were also automatic. But ultimately, I just went with this one. It looks different. It's got that little Yachtmaster look to it, and I really like this, so that's why I went with this one. So that's going to conclude this one, folks. This guy's not going to get a video review on the channel because I've done Pro Diver reviews before. So you know what you're getting with this. This is just the quartz version. Like I said, 60 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. I will see you in my next video. Peace. Hey, YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.